Hi guys, my name is Caroline Wambui and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an outdoor cleaning and a little bit of laundry, and I just decided to tag you along as I was doing it. Maybe you will pick some motivation. So stick to the end and make sure you just get the motivation to do some cleaning. I will not be talking so much in the video because I have a cold and I feel like I'm straining my voice. So just sit and enjoy the music as you pick up some motivation. So in case you are new here, welcome to this channel. Here we love visitors. Feel at home. In this channel you are going to find a lot of homemaking content, some cooking, lifestyle content, and of course some hauls when we have the money, and some makeovers here and there. So I began by just cleaning my windows, and later on I took care of my doors and my door, and finally I cleaned my floor. You've seen it's quite dirty here in this wherever I stay. Trash is usually collected on Monday, so I find it easy just doing the cleaning immediately after, or on Tuesday very early in the morning. On this day I was doing it in the morning after the kids left for school, because it's a bit peaceful and it's also easy to film when there aren't many people outside. So I hope by the end of the video you will have gained something out of it.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. Oh, you
My bathroom window is usually on the outside and it's a bit high, so I just usually use my, what do you call it, my broom to just dust it off, because anytime I use water I end up just pouring a lot of water on myself, and that's how I maintain it clean all the times. So for the first cleaning, I for the windows I just used some washing powder and water, and that is the same water I used to clean up the floor for the first time. And then I came in with some clean water to just rinse it off.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
To just wind up on the outdoor cleaning, I just decided to clean my windows again, and this time I was just going through them with my Sufficient window cleaner, and it just helps the glass area to just get a little bit shiny. Yeah, yeah. So anytime I'm taking care of my outside, I normally make sure the door is clean, the window is clean, and the floor is sparkling clean too. So the next thing I went ahead to do was just cleaning up some clothes that I had not cleaned for about 2 days. There is time that the cold was so intense and I was not able to clean up. Yeah, before they could pile up, I just decided to take care of them because here I normally do laundry every day. Yeah.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So I also took care of some shoes that were in the door area, though I don't usually pile shoes. They were only for the 2 days that I had not cleaned up actually. I also cleaned up my floor, though not very deeply. I just used some scoring powder, and I also took care of the tile area, the lower tile area, because I just clean it every day because it gets dirty very easily, though I had to cut off some parts because of unavoidable circumstances. If you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to thank you. Thank you very much for coming to support me. Special thanks to my returnees and my premier gang. Thank you for the support. I am really grateful and I don't take it for granted. For all those who have channels, may God lift them up to those places that you desire, and may God bless your families. So the last thing I did was disinfecting my combs. Yeah, every time I unplaint my hair, I have to wash all the combs that I had used with the previous hair, so that I'll not uh, so that I will not carry dandruffs to the newly washed hair. So let me know in the comment section, how often do you disinfect your combs, or actually do you remember to? It's quite necessary.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me.